Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Gutenberg editor in WordPress. So let's get started. WordPress had a major update when releasing the 5.0 version of WordPress, and since that WordPress has a new default editor called Gutenberg Editor. So if you click on add new in posts, we can see that this is the Gutenberg editor and you can write your posts over here. Gutenberg editor is based on blocks, so you can add blocks of images, videos, or text or anything like that. A lot of people don't know how to use the Gutenberg editor and they just get confused. So if you want to know how the Gutenberg editor works, I have a video on that. But in a lot of cases, people face some issues with the Gutenberg editor, like they are not able to publish or save it as draft. So in these cases, they need to disable the Gutenberg editor and go back to the classic editor. So in this video, we will see how to disable the Gutenberg editor and go back to the classic editor. So the first method I'm going to show you is by using a plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on add new and just search for classic editor. And you can see this plugin over here. It has over 5 million active installations. So just go ahead and click on install now and then just activate it. Once you have activated the classic editor, just go to the settings, and here we can see the settings of the classic editor, and we can set the default editor of all the users to classic editor, and we can even select the post formats over here and the post categories and all. Alright, so just click on save if you have made any changes. Alright, now let's go to post and click on add new, and here we can see the nice old classic editor displayed over here. So you can type your post over here and publish and everything will work fine. Now let's open an existing article. So for example, we want to open this hello world. So now when I click on edit, we get the content in the classic editor and not in the Gutenberg editor. So we can make changes over here and update our post. Now if you ever want to go back to the Gutenberg editor, all you have to do is go to plugins and click on installed plugins, and then go to settings and change this to block editor, and then click on save. And now if you go to posts and click on add new, we can see the Gutenberg editor over here. Or else you can also go ahead and click on installed plugins and just deactivate the plugin, and that will also disable the classic editor and take you back to the Gutenberg editor. Now let's see another method of disabling the Gutenberg editor. So let's click on add new and we'll search for a plugin called disable Gutenberg. So just go ahead and click on install now and then click on activate, and we can see that the plugin is activated. You can go to the settings of disable Gutenberg from here, or you can also go to settings and click on disable Gutenberg over here. Now here we have the option of complete disable. Now if you uncheck this, we can see that we have a lot more options over here, and we can even disable for specific post types. Alright, after that just click on save changes, and now if you go to post and let's go ahead and edit this post, and we can see that we have the classic editor over here. And even if we add a new post, the classic editor is displayed over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and deactivate the plugin, and I will show you another method of disabling the Gutenberg editor. So now if you go to add new, we can see the Gutenberg editor. Now let me show you how to disable the Gutenberg editor without using any plugins. So for that you have to make changes to the source code of your theme. So if you're not comfortable in making changes to the code, then you can go the plugins way. But for those who can make changes to the code, let me show you how to do it. It is just a single line of code and you can do it easily. So just go to appearance and click on theme editor, and then you have to go to the functions.php file. So just click on this theme functions file and just go to the end of the file, and here you have to add a filter. So we'll just add a comment and we will type disable Gutenberg editor, and all you have to type over here is add underscore filter, and in parentheses you have to pass two arguments. So the first argument is called the use block editor for post. So you have to type use block editor for post, and you have to add underscores in between all of the words. And after that, the next argument is underscore underscore return underscore false, and then just add a semicolon and click on update file, and the file is edited successfully. Now let's go to post and click on add new, and we can see the old classic editor is displayed over here. So these are basically the different ways of disabling the Gutenberg editor. So if you found this video useful, please click on the like button, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.